Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing and another pair of Sudio headphones. And once again, it's the 9, my favorite pair of headphones. I use them everywhere and I like to have them like everywhere. So that's why I bought another pair, mostly because I like the new color that I don't even know what to call, sand, beige or something maybe. But you have already seen me unbox at least, I don't know, a couple of these. But for every video I do about the Sudio 9 that are very similar to the Apple AirPods, people ask me if the Apple AirPods cases fits this. And no, it doesn't. But now we have a case from Apple. Sorry, not from Apple, from Apple's. From Apple. This is apple skin leather, and not any kind of apple. This is from Italian apple tree. Italian apple, I don't know. So this is what we call vegan leather. Simple, looks like leather, sort of feels like leather, are supposed to be just as durable as leather. Kind of nice, simple. Of course I will show you closer, but I like it that they can do this kind of vegan leather, especially with products that you don't have to have that luxury real leather feeling. So with a AirPod case or headphone case that you are going to abuse and get dirty anyway, why not do this vegan leather thing? So let's see how it fits. So you have this leather imitation look. Inside we have fabric. We can remove this made in China sticker. Very simple stitches, rubber band. So let's see how it fits. And this is the new color. I really like this color. It gives them sort of a more luxury look, I think. Oh yes, this was nice, and with the gold details. Very nice color. And this is it. Yeah, that works. Nice. Vegan leather from Apple Skin. They will probably release more colors, I think. But this works just fine. And this new beautiful color. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. You guys that have bought a pair of Sudio 9, let me know what you think. Because I'm really curious if you feel about them just the way I feel about them. Thanks for watching. Good night.